Hey guys, it's Candace. Welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I'm going to be showing you my full face contouring and slimming routine with the NuFace Mini. Microcurrent devices like these use very low voltage electric currents to stimulate the facial muscles, encourage blood flow, encourage cell growth, encourage collagen production. And with regular use, it's supposed to help the skin look more bouncy and lifted and healthy and youthful. If you want to know more about the NuFace Mini, definitely let me know and I can do a full review. But I did talk a little bit about it in my video where I compared the Foreo Bare Mini versus this. They're both basically the same thing, but the Foreo devices are definitely more powerful. The electric currents in this aren't as strong, which is why I'm using it today because my skin feels really sensitive today. You guys know I have sensitive skin and 50% of the time my skin feels sensitive and I reach for this. If you're wondering which one I like better, this or the original Bare, honestly, I like them both. I can't choose. I like to use this one when my face is really puffy because the T-sonic pulsations in this immediately slim down my face. But like I said, when my skin feels sensitive, I need something that's gonna treat my face like the sensitive little baby that it is. If you are interested in either of these, I will leave a link to them in the description. Whew. In the description box where you can purchase them or learn more about them. And yeah, let's get right into it. Throw these little piggies back. Why do I look like a panda today? My eye bags are not cute. I thought I got a good sleep yesterday, but my eye bags are saying, no you didn't. You did not get a good sleep. Okay, so skin is clean. I've washed it. I've cleansed it. There's nothing on my skin. I have been periodically spraying my face with the Avène thermal water just because I didn't want my face to dry out before I got everything situated for this video. And here is the NuFace Mini. I just made this cute little pouch for it. Isn't this cute? I just made a little pouch for it because this thing is expensive and I want to protect it and it didn't come with a case or anything, so made a pouch. Ever since quarantine started, I've picked up so many hobbies and sewing's been one of them. I've made so many things, so many clothes, so many pouches. Literally everything I own has a pouch now. I'm just gonna spray my face because it's feeling a little bit dry. Then let's go right into the primer. NuFace claims that it works best with this gel, but I often use it with other water-based serums and it works perfectly fine that way too. Okay, so let's just get started. I like to work in sections because this gel primer and obviously any other serum, it does dry and I don't want to have to keep reapplying, so I like to work in sections. Like I said, I have nothing on my face right now. I do have a little bit of the Burt's Bees, what is this called? Tinted lip balm in Rose. I love this stuff. It looks so beautiful on the lips. It's so hydrating, gives you a nice little tint. But you want to make sure you have a nice, generous layer of this stuff on your skin. Otherwise, you will feel a little bit of a shock and it is not a nice feeling. In fact, it kind of hurts, if I'm being honest. So with any microcurrent devices, the way I like to use it is I like to start from the bottom of my face and work up. So each motion I do 3 times. I do 3 motions along my jaw. I'll do 3 motions like right underneath my cheekbone, just here, like right here. And the 3rd motion will start right here where my smile lines are, and I will glide it up towards my temple, like that. The NuFace Mini also has 3 settings, but I only use it on the lightest setting because I feel like my face only needs, you know, a little bit of lifting at the moment. So all I do is I turn it on. So I'm just gonna put it here and glide up. And I just like to enjoy this moment, don't do too fast. And when you hear that beep, it means you can start again. You heard that beep? And last time like this. And then we're gonna start here and gently glide it up towards the ear. Was that 3 or was that 2? I feel like that was 2. So I'm just gonna do it one more time. And then I'm gonna start right here and glide it up towards my temple. And actually, if you don't put enough gel on, you'll feel a little bit of like a staticky feeling near your hairline. Actually, even if you put enough on, sometimes you'll feel that anyway. I'm just gonna go ahead and work on the lower part of my face again, just because I really want to lift this area of my face and kind of make my cheekbones pop. So by now it's kind of dry because I've been talking a little bit, so I'm just gonna respray my face so that it is nice and slippery again. And then I can do this again. I'm just gonna take it here and glide it up and hold it there until it beeps. I'm gonna do this 3 times. It's actually funny when you use this because you don't really feel anything. So when I first started using this, I was like, is it even working? I'm gonna move a little bit up here now towards my ear and do it the same thing, glide up and wait for the beep, and then start again. What was I saying? That was the 3rd one. Now I'm just gonna go up and right underneath the cheekbones, just there. Next, I'm just gonna push it up right here because I want this area to be lifted. And I'm just gonna do that 3 times. One more time. Another thing I like to do if I feel like my face is really puffy is I will actually glide it from under my chin here and then all the way behind my jaw here, and then just leave it there until it beeps. And I find that this really gives me a nice sharp looking jaw. Do this 3 times. Okay, so I did the lower part of my face. Now I'm gonna move on to the top, and let me just apply a little bit of gel to my forehead. With my forehead, I pretty much like to do the same thing. I'll just start here and gently, slowly glide it up. And then I'll move a little bit down towards my temple. And then here. Another thing that I like to do to prevent any 11s, because I do this a lot, and like I am worried about getting any wrinkles here. So I like to just place the NuFace in that area for 2 counts. Let me just put a little bit of gel on because I don't want to be shocked. So let me just wait for it to beep. I just place it here. Then when it beeps, I turn it vertical and then I place it here again. I'm just gonna go ahead and do this side of my face, then we'll be done. So I'm just applying some gel and I'm gonna go in again. So starting with my jaw 3 times. Now just under my cheekbones.
And again, just take your time and enjoy it, don't rush it. A nice gentle glide. Feels nice and relaxing actually because the spheres are cool. Now I'm gonna start here and glide it underneath my cheekbone. And the top sphere is just on top of my cheekbone. Is that number 2? This is number 3. Now I'm just gonna go back in and work on the lower half of my face again. One here. And because I want this part of my face to be lifted, so I'm going to glide it up and hold it. Glide it up and hold it again. Move down a little bit, glide it up and hold it. Each time I glide it up until just below my cheekbone, and then I just hold it there. Then I'm just going to do under my jaw. So I've been using this for months now, and I love it. I've really seen a difference in the lift of my face, and yeah, it just looks more firm and contoured. Okay, almost done. We just have this side of the forehead to go. A little bit more of the NuFace gel. You kind of have to use a lot when you're doing your whole face, which is why I've had to find different alternatives, because otherwise I'd go broke. I would go broke. Okay, so to the forehead, slowly glide it up, hold it, and then move a little bit down, slowly glide it up, hold it, and then here. And then I do this whole thing 3 times. Start here again, glide it up, When you're using a microcurrent device, you just always want to make sure that you are gliding in upwards motion, never downwards, because if you're dragging your skin down, it will promote sagging. I think this is the last one.
Yep, that was the last one. And I'm just gonna kind of pat in the primer. You actually don't have to wash this off. I've seen a lot of videos where the women have washed it off, but you don't have to. I think most people just like to because it does have a little bit of a tacky finish, but you guys know I love that. I love when my skin is moist all day. So, just gonna pat this in, and then after this you can carry on with your regular skincare routine. Okay guys, that's it for me today. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you have any questions, any comments, definitely leave them down below. And I hope you're all healthy and staying safe, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye!